What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. Something pretty cool has happened in my pepper patch. I have not one, but two variegated. You can see the white on the leaves there. There's the other one right there. But I've got two variegated pepper plants, and I should get striped peppers from these, which are pretty cool. This is a genetic mutation that causes some of the leaves to not have any pigment. And like I said, it should also reflect in the fruits. It's starting to kind of produce fruit here. That is one. That's the bigger one. Let's go over to the smaller one, which is planted right next to it. This one. Pretty cool. So there is a little patch of about, let me widen this out. There's a little patch of about 4 poblano pepper plants. These seeds came from a poblano, could have cross-pollinated with some of my hot peppers. I have a lot of habaneros every year, so they could be anything, right? But the genetic mutation is definitely cool, and I'm gonna this one's flowering. See right there. So I'm going to kind of clear this little corner out for the two that are genetically mutated. So that means this bigger poblano, it's going to have to get culled out. And I seeded all these in a patch, really. And I'll typically take the strongest one. As you can see, there's about 5 different plants in there. And I'll come in and cut out the ones that I don't want, which are the ones that are not variegated. And I will keep the 2 that I do want, which are the white variegated pepper plants, and hopefully I'll be able to overwinter those this year and keep growing them tomorrow or next year. They should have super unique peppers as well too, like striped peppers. These sorts of peppers are highly sought after. You can get some really rare looking specimens with plants like this. So yeah, pretty neat. The first time showing these off. Now when I saw them seed, and they were only about 3 or 4 inches tall, it looked like I had spilled something on them, you know, and it had kind of burnt the leaves a little bit. And that's kind of what I had just assumed had happened, and then just went along with the rest of the garden. And as they've grown out, you can definitely tell that this is a genetic mutation. They're all super healthy. And again, that one's starting to flower there. So we're gonna get to see what these peppers are gonna look like here real soon. And in the meantime, I'll kind of clear the way for them and cultivate those in the corner of the pepper patch here. I've got a ton of peppers. Most of this is spicy stuff. Habaneros. There could be some ghost peppers mixed in. I've got this tray, that one, 2 more on the other side are the Peruvian lemon drop peppers. So I've got some exotic stuff in here too, which is going to be exciting this year. And again, more peppers all the way around the pond and on the other side over there. So I know I haven't put up a video in a while, but this is what I've been doing, growing peppers in the backyard and building onto the garden. And I'll be sure to update you guys on these mutants in the next couple months as we start to get peppers from them. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.